feel about this trending of indoda must as a man? And I'm asking you as well, but how do you feel? Lenda ukuthi sinalendo thina amantombazana ukuthi indoda must do this, must do that, mustn't do this, mustn't do that. Like double standard type of thing, being a guy. How does it take you emotionally? Or any other aspect of my emotions?
Actually, I don't know if I should say unfair, but I think kuya man ngomuntu. Yabo kuya ngomuntu. Yes, indoda must, but uthando, what about uthando?
Love.
Because of manje, I think abantu uthando sebal misunderstand or bal confuse nemali.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, indoda must, but what if agagahlangana?
I'm gonna come back to you, but love alone is not everything.
Okay.
Good Philmon, ninikeza wena Natal.
Oh, mina esayidini lami singabantu, there's okay, female, male. I think sonke singabantu.
Yeah.
Leyo ukuthi indoda yona kwamele ehlale evela. I don't go for it. We are all human, so we all go through hard times. We all face hardship. We all know jubilation. Like we all know all this kind of things as a package uNkulunkulu asinike zona as human. You understand? So I don't go for it. Pain, mama. I understand.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to you.
Okay.
I'm a mother. My son is 18 years old. I have a daughter who's 12 years old. And I wish what I'm going to say to you today, you go think about it.
Okay.
I believe that uSandile noSilindile mama ngahlangana and they speak the same language. I'm not talking about the native. And then being in the same world, we see things the same. It makes life easy. True. So, sine goal. Mawuzobamba umthwalo ngala, mina ngawubamba ngala. So sheshe sifike lapho siyakhona. But mawuzobamba uwedwa uzohamba uphumule endleleni and then you get delayed. Ushilo ufilmon. We are all human beings. This thing yokuthi wena fanele singabikho kwi-libra or equilibrium. That's what kills our brothers. That's what delays success yabo bhuti bethu, malume bethu, baba bethu nabantwana bethu. You should find a woman who believes that uNkulunkulu usidale ngokufana, unginikeze ingqondo, wanginikeza amehlo, wanginikeza umlomo konke. So, mina I believe that I don't want to talk about who should put what on the table. I believe that we should do the best way we know how in a relationship. Not just love. Love alone is not enough. But we have to. One of the things ugcine low sex drive, it's because of that woman who wants you to always make a plan. Still, I want you to satisfy me. You understand? Ingqondo yakho, it's somewhere. Ukuthi fanele uhlanganise uzohlanganisa kanjani ngapha nami ngifuna ama round amaningi. But if I'm your partner sitting with you ukuthi sana sami ngiyazi ukuthi uye wathenga isinko ngicela mina ithi ngize nebutter. You understand? This thing of amantombazana afili entitlement, that's what delays abobhuti bethu. That is why abobhuti bethu sebezibulala. One of the things, if when are you that man who believes ukuthi indoda must, should that woman cheat, that is why bebashaya, bebabulala, because of you think of all the sweat and the blood that you have went through to satisfy this person who will never be satisfied. Ayikho into ebizwa indoda must.
Yeah, no, ngivumelana now. And bona kusho ukuthi uvela wayebeka yonke angazi ukukhona ukushiyile.
No,
because of the way uyibeka ngakhona injalo. It's unfortunate ukuthi abantu abafani. Not all women think like you. You understand? And not all of them feel like the way when you feel ngakhona. Understand? So, sizithola sikuleyo situation because of sometimes uthola ukuthi labantu esinabo asikho kwi level A1 in terms of
thinking. And then why you drag yourself there?
Yes. It's life. It's life. Back then, we peer pressure. You know? And then as you grow older, then you realize ukuthi ayimanje sekumele umuntu akhethe ngokuhlakanipha.
Not ama looks.
Yeah, it's not just about looks.
Yeah.
Yabo? But it never used to be like that back then. Back then, the kalama looks. Moses Figela.
But awukho happy.
Yeah, Moses Figela the buntu wenjani.
Asisikwazi sethu besibekana. Siyaphethe imbombo la.
Athi ni imbombo la. Yeah, but that was the age very.
Yeah.
Tuphethe imbombo la.
So into ebalekile yona seswami ile uqeda uyikhuluma. It's very important that thing. It's just that kunabantu abangayizwa. Yabona as we speak khona manje abakuzwa.
Yazi the tricky part is akuphi. Ngifuna ukwenza umzekelo ngoFilmon. uFilmon ushadile ngisho. Uhlala nomndeni wakhe. Asithi ke na uFilmon uthole ugirl othi indoda must. God forbid uNkulunkulu amkhumbule uFilmon. What's going to happen to abantwana baka Filmon? Uzohamba yofuna enye indoda ezo step up ezicathulweni zika Filmon. Afike le ndoda ihlukumeza abantwana baka Filmon. Iba nukubeze, iba dlwengule, athuleke uMrs Indoda must ngoba this person is putting food on the table. Wenza njani ke uFilmon ngoba thina singabantu abamnyama esikholela ukuthi umuntu uyaphenduka emathuneni. Will he rest peacefully? But makazothula uFilmon knowing ukuthi nkosikazi I know she will pull it through. Abantwana bam they are still secured because of uye wathola unkosikazi owazi ukuthi kulomhlaba lona washo futhi nophuze chemist ukuthi lo mhlaba uyathengwa ningaboni isihlezi kuwona ubani fanele ukhokhele indoda
No,
it should stop. I don't know how I'm going to say this, but this thing of cegela bobhuti bethu phansi ngokuthi siloko sithi indoda must sizoba successful kudala, trust me. And then uthola ukuthi yena uyasebenza eyakhe imali fanele inakekele owakhe umndeni umama wakhe nobabakhe babaka Filmon bona
as my sister lento ekhulumayo ngiyayizwa ukuthi akubi bathini prosperity endlini. It brings nothing but stagnation.
Exactly.
Akuyiwa ndawo.
Lutho.
There's one thing engiyaziyo bathi love conquers all.
Not in my world.
Love conquers all. Sengiyasho ukuthi manivumelana endlini
nisebenzisane.
And then bese kuba nokuthula endlini.
Yes.
Ya lapho kuyiwa phambili.
Kuyiwa phambili. Trust me because futhi kwayena uSandile makazo lokho uyahamba uyahasila udinga 72 hours a day njengoba i24 it's not enough. Nami ngapha ngifuna i5 rounds yami manga nginginiki ngiyahamba ngiyochitha. So yabona uzoyibalansa uyithini ke lento.
Unfortunately my sister siphila kulo mhlaba oso.
Yeah.
Unjalo. Sawuthola oso and there's nothing we can do.
We can talk about it.
Yes, we can.
And we can instill such to our kids. Because thina sikhule uma wami makafika uthi athole litafula lamaste yathi kungendlela uzofika wenze ngaye emzini wakho le uzofika ungihlaze because of we were told that we to be a woman is to go get married. And siyakhohlwa ukuthi umshado kuyisiphiwo. This is what I believe in. I mean ngicula kamnandi. Thina abanye asikwazi ukucula. Isiphiwo. We understand there are people who were born to be together but not to get married. There are people who were born to get married and to be together. And there are people who were meant to get married and divorce. That's life.
So ungakushintsha lokho.
I think the better thing that we need to do is umhlaba. Let's instill better to our kids.
Okay.
Njengoba neBhayibheli lisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wasenza ngeimage yakhe. Zangathi wathi xaxaxa indoda must endodeni wathi xaxaxa umfazi akathambe. Kwathi wasenza ngeimage yakhe. Zange ukuthi ama emotions kaFilmon akabe suppressed akhona ukuqina awomfazi yena fanele abe ijeli like zange kusho ukuthi wasenza ngeimage yakhe. You understand? That's why and the saddest part is kuhlala ukuthi women grow quicker than men. If that's the case, why can't I navigate for us to have a better future? The only thing say, indoda afanele nginikeze imali, and then I'll multiply. Ngisho kuthiwa indoda ikunika imali to build a house and then you make it a home. How about in that home mina ngifake furniture?